Well, good morning, Orlando. Good morning. I'm Harry Forbes from ARC Advisory Group. Thank you for coming and welcome to the 24th Annual ARC Industry Forum, Driving Digital Transformation in Industry and Cities. We really appreciate you coming to this event. Thank you for coming. And if you can't find a seat, please move up. There are always a few seats in the front. Click. We didn't test the clicker. Okay. Okay, there we go. A safety moment first. We don't like safety moments, and we hope we never need them, but when you need them, it's important. We're in the Convention Center ballroom. Our exit is out these doors and then out the doors of the building. If there's any emergency that we need to abandon the building, fortunately we're in Florida, so it's not too bad to have to be outdoors, but that is the way out of the building. So keep that in mind, and hopefully we don't need to do it, but keep it in mind, it's important. Let me give you some statistics. This is still not working. All right. Let me give you some statistics from this event. We have 875 attendees registered for this event this year. It's not quite a record, but pretty close. I think it's our second biggest one. You represent over 250 companies, and we have 75 corporate and media sponsors and 50 members of the press from various press organs and organizations and types. And you're representing over 20 countries. So this is really a unique event, and I hope you enjoy this event very much. In terms of getting connected, we have the, can I have the next slide, please? We have the Wi-Fi network here. The network name is ARC Forum, and the password is ARC Forum. There's a Forum app, which you can pick up on the Apple or Android store, that has all the agenda and the sessions and speaker bios and so on. So the app is an important part of being at this event, so please download it and use it. Next slide, please. We also have tools to enhance your forum experience besides the app: the ARC LinkedIn page, the ARC website, and of course Twitter. So our hashtag for Twitter is ARC Forum. So please feel free to provide comments and tweets. Next slide, please. The program we have is, we have really 9 programs that are divided into 6 tracks. And they'll be in different rooms. This room in the afternoon will be split. So tracks 1 and 2 will be in this room, track 1 on my right, track 2 on my left, and the other tracks will be across the hall. Each of the 9 programs focuses on important issues that many of you are wrestling with in your jobs. And some of these are operational, some are engineering, some are IT, and we have a full program on cybersecurity as well. So there's a brief introduction to all of these programs in the books that you received, and session description, and it's also on the mobile device. Besides attending the sessions, I encourage you to network with your colleagues and peers as much as you can. These next 3 days, are a great opportunity for us to share ideas and to talk to each other and ask questions. So I encourage you to talk to as many people as you can, meet some new people, learn some new things, and make some connections here. Next slide, please. We have 55 sessions and 4 workshops over the 4 days of this event. We have over 200 speakers and panelists, and that information is, again, available on the mobile app. We'll be introducing our speakers and panelists by name only, and we welcome your nominations for future speakers at the event. Next slide, please. The speaker presentations and video recordings with the speaker approval will be available in a few weeks on the ARC website and the ARC YouTube channel. And previously, as we have uploaded these videos from the sessions, we've had over 600,000 views and thousands of downloads of the presentations. Again, these will be made available in a few weeks with speaker permission. Next slide, please. The Forum app also allows you to rate sessions. And believe me, being from ARC, I know we pay very close attention to the ratings that we get from these sessions. So your input will have a lot of value for us. So please do rate the sessions that you attend, and you can add them to your schedule as well. Next slide. We encourage you to ask questions, especially if you're in an interactive session. Raise your hand and someone will bring a mic to you for a question, and there's papers on the tables here for you to write questions at the general session here. ARC staff will be collecting those and bringing them up to the front for the panel session at the general session. Next slide. Questions on anything at the forum, please ask anyone from ARC or visit the ARC front desk, and we'll be happy to help you as best we can. Now I'd like to thank our sponsors from this event. Our sponsors, some of them are new and old. Some of them have sponsored every single ARC forum. Some of them are brand new this year. So these are the companies that make this event possible. So please visit them. As an analyst, I can say I guarantee you, whether it's a big company or a small company, there's always something to learn. So please go meet them, learn what they're doing, and there's always something more to learn. Even if you think you know all about some company, we always find that we don't. So our platinum sponsor this year is Microsoft. Our global sponsors are Bentley, another global sponsor is Siemens. And our gold sponsors, in alphabetical order, AspenTech, AT&T Business, Diamante, which is a new sponsor this year, GE Digital, Foghorn, Hewlett-Packard Enterprise, Fortinet, GE Digital, Hewlett-Packard Enterprise, Honeywell, Honeywell, Hitachi, boy, I'm really getting caught. A lot of H's here. Hitachi, Honeywell, Inductive Automation, Irdeto, LTT, Nozomi Networks, OWL, PAS, SAP, that's a palindrome, by the way, PAS and SAP being next to each other, Schneider Electric, Stratus, and these are our silver sponsors, a number of companies there. Again, I would say these are the folks that are making this event possible. Please take advantage of the time to meet with them and chat with them. Thank you also to our industry association sponsors and to our media sponsors. Again, for you, this is a great opportunity to meet with the media and chat with them. Now, please mute your cell phones and we'll begin the program. And to begin the program, I'd like to introduce the founder and president of ARC Advisory Group, Andy Chatta. And this is an opportunity. Please don't take this as a suck up. I want to say something about Andy and ask anyone at ARC, any of my colleagues, ask them about Andy. And the one thing I will say about Andy that I think is everyone will agree on is Andy thinks about you and your businesses every minute. And sometimes we get emails from Andy on Sunday morning or something like that. Believe me, there's no one more dedicated to advancing this industry than Andy Chatta, and he's been that way forever. So it's my pleasure to introduce and I ask anyone at ARC, I'm sure they'll agree with that.